Setting expectation means don't overpromise, right? That you can't keep, right? Because what happens when you overpromise, then you put a lot of pressure on your team members, right? And with agencies, especially with agencies, what we have seen often, or what I have done wrong in the beginning of my career, is that setting wrong expectations with the client and then put a lot of pressure in our team members. Because we have to understand every day cannot be urgent, right? We cannot have urgent meetings, right? Urgent releases every single week, right? Urgency means once in a blue moon, right? Maybe once in a quarter or twice in a quarter, not every week, not every day. People cannot stay 2-3 hours extra after their shift is over, right? So we have to understand that everybody is human. Remember, we said everybody is human. That doesn't mean not just your client, but your team members are also human. So you have to look at them as human first and then everything. So when you are talking to client, make sure you know your team's velocity, their capability, their capacity, all these things you need to consider. So you as a PM, before you go to meet with a client, you need to do your homework, right? So if you know you have a meeting coming up, you need to give yourself enough time that, okay, what is the agenda, right? What do the client want? What do I have to offer? Do I have the bandwidth? Right? And set expectations accordingly. Because if you set some certain expectations and you cannot live up to that, then you lose confidence from your client, right? And you may end up losing that client after that project. So again, that hampers your long-term relationship. That means there's no connection between you and the client.